If you see this sign in the jungle, do not take your boat out. Bro, is that Mokele-mbembe? Is that a living dinosaur? Is that real? I'll tell you. But first, if you think this cat is cute, like this video and subscribe. Look at his sad eyes. He was abandoned in a box and doesn't understand why his family left him. It breaks my heart. If you have a kind heart, leave a heart emoji in the comments and share this video because you are a special person. It's not a dinosaur. This sign warns tourists that they are entering extremely dense and dangerous hippo territory. These massive animals hide underwater in the deep river basin and will flip your boat if you get too close.